Hello, my name is Calvert Mata, and I will be showing you uh, how reverse engineer this web page here. I use FileMain search, and I'm gonna go here and find my name. So we have a table with a person. So and then I'm gonna do the other four tables: so birth, marriage, residence, and death. So if I go here to my SQL, I already created it. So in person, I have my key, uh, and then in person, I'm gonna have first name, last name, and the gender. And then this table is gonna be connected to all of them. So this is gonna be one-to-many residences. So it's gonna be start date, end date, and address. And it has my secondary key. And marriage is the same, one to many, and death, of course, 1-to-1, and birthday 1-to-1. And it has the birthday, and the birthday table has the birthday, the birthplace, and my secondary key, and my primary key. And death also has my date, my death date. Not well, not mine, but tables. And death place, and also I use the date for this, so it gets the right thing. And then we have a secondary key here. And that's it. That's my reverse engineer for family search. Thank you.